And now, your NBC26 Storm Shield forecast with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
The sunshine returned for your Father's Day, and that allowed us to warm up into the 90s, something that we were forecasting yesterday to have 90s, but the cloud cover prevented us from doing so. So today, if you like 90 degrees, well, you got it. And also, you got the muggy air as well. It's 72-degree dew point, and it's making those heat indices near 100 degrees. That wind out of the south and southwest at about 17 miles per hour, helping a little bit, but not too much. 88 in Manitowoc, 84 in Sister Bay, so even by the lakeshore, the cool water conditions of Lake Michigan not helping too much, and also it is feeling very tropical outside. We got dew points in the upper 60s and lower 70s, even perhaps a bit oppressive. And when you factor those two things together, we got feel-like temperatures in the upper 90s to near 100 degrees outside. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water for the rest of the afternoon hours. We will see the hot air move down to the south tomorrow, but for the time being, we have that heat advisory from Marquette towards Sheboygan counties, and that lasts until 7 o'clock this evening. Now let's turn the page, talk about the risk of severe weather. With that very hot and humid air mass, it is allowing these thunderstorms to fire up quickly up in northwest Wisconsin. This is moving down to the southeast and will eventually make its way into our area later on this evening. Right now, there are some severe thunderstorm warnings up towards even Iron County, Gogeeba County, and the UP of Michigan. And these lines of storms are moving to the east and southeast. So we'll have to monitor its progression. We are under a marginal and a slight risk of severe weather. So the better chance of seeing some strong to severe storms will be farther to the north and to the west you go, which is where those storms are right now. Then the cold front moves down to the south, and the risk of severe weather will be exiting our area. However, we still have the chance of seeing some thunderstorms during the day tomorrow. Right now, it is quiet, mostly clear. We have a few fair weather cumulus clouds out there, but here's where the severe thunderstorm watch is right now, issued and under effect until midnight tonight. And the cold front is right here, and that's going to move down to the southeast. Behind it, high pressure. And what that means for us is some more dry air, comfortable air, and also a long stretch of some dry weather. And that'll be good news because of the concern for some flooding tonight. So at least whatever happens tonight, we'll have a couple days for us to dry out and allow those rivers and streams to get a handle on themselves. Here's how Skycast pans it out. We're at 10:30 right here, the line of storms starting to knock on our doorstep. Then it starts to move down to the south. Right here in Green Bay, right around and after midnight, near 1 a.m. from Waupaca towards Sturgeon Bay. And then notice how the storms don't really move too much, and they could perhaps train over an area. That's why we're concerned for the potential of some flooding. Eventually, the storms move out, but we do have the risk of additional showers and storms popping up by the afternoon tomorrow. So by the time it's all said and done, some areas could pick up several inches of accumulation. Now, our Skycast showing Waupaca about 5.5 inches. The thing that I want you to note here is that don't carve into stone that Waupaca is seeing this amount of rainfall, but factor in that somewhere in our area we could see those totals across parts of northeast Wisconsin. For tonight, cooling down to 73 degrees, strong to severe storms possible, and also some flooding, winds out of the west and southwest 5 to 10. For tomorrow, cooler, high of 78 degrees, still keep the chance of some showers and thunderstorms across the area, but we do start to dry out as we get towards Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday is our first day of astronomical summer starting right after 5 a.m. And then as we get towards next weekend, we do have another chance of some isolated showers and thunderstorms, temps back into lower 80s on Sunday.
Can we just fast forward to Tuesday? It seems you can enjoy that Tuesday to Friday stretch. I'm liking that.
But you like the humid weather, don't you?
I do. Let's keep it that way then too. I guess you're right. Gino. All right, thank you so much. We're still ahead on NBC26.